Hey there, foodies! Today, we're going to dive into the delicious world of Continental Spice Route, a unique culinary experience that combines the flavors of Europe with the spices of Asia. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the Continental Spice Route's signature dish, the Spice Route Burger. This mouth-watering burger is made with a blend of spices that gives it a unique and unforgettable flavor. The burger is topped with a fried egg, caramelized onions, and a special sauce that ties everything together. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this one. Next up, we have the Continental Spice Route's chicken wings. These wings are marinated in a secret blend of spices and then deep-fried to perfection. They're served with a tangy sauce that's the perfect complement to the spicy wings. Now, let's talk about the Continental Spice Route's prawns. These succulent prawns are cooked in a spicy sauce that's packed with flavor. They're served with a side of fries and a special sauce that's perfect for dipping. And finally, we have the Continental Spice Route's lamb chops. These tender lamb chops are cooked to perfection and served with a side of rice. They're seasoned with a blend of spices that gives them a unique and delicious flavor. So, there you have it, folks. A taste of the Continental Spice Route's amazing culinary experience. If you're ever in the area, be sure to stop by and try some of these delicious dishes for yourself. Thank you so much for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more delicious food content. Until next time, happy eating!